humble background. The current Form Force, while I wish you all the best in the coming exams, the exams iko karibu. While I wish you all the best and success in the coming exams, you have a big challenge ahead of you, because those brothers of yours who did the exam last year, they have put the bar very high for you. If you don't break that record, at least we expect you to maintain that standard. We want you to break it. But if you can't break it, we expect you to maintain it where it is. For having given us this opportunity this morning to be able to stand here and talk to each other. Elwak Secondary School was constructed in 1988, like Mwalimu has just mentioned, but it has already made history in so many ways, like many other schools that existed long before Elwak Secondary School. Elwak hoye! Elwak Secondary hoye!
Hoye!
Form 1s hoye!
Hoye!
You don't have Form 1s?
They are here.
Where are they?
They are on this other side.
Form 1s hoye!
Go back and say left.
Form 2s hoye! You are even more lazy. Form 3 hoye!
Yeah. MashaAllah.
Form 4s hoye! Form 1 and Form 2 you need to
improve.
Teachers, our principal, the board members, our students, I am one very proud member of parliament right now in this country, because just a few weeks ago, when the whole world was celebrating the Global Day for Teachers, the name of Elwak Secondary School was flying high up in the news, not just in Kenya but globally, because that event was a global event. It was not a Kenyan event. The news that came from that event was watched all over the world, where teachers exist, and you know teachers exist everywhere in this world. And in the country, only 456 teachers in the entire country called Kenya were awarded. And amongst the 456 teachers who were awarded was your principal, our brother Mwalimu Afin Ulo Dudu. He was being awarded not because of his singular individual effort. He was being awarded because of your collective effort as students, teachers, board, and himself, him being the captain. Mwalimu wetu Aftin Kulo was awarded the head of state commendation. That is one of the top honors in this country, which is awarded to Kenyans who have done what the country believes to be exemplary work in the service of the nation. Walimu, you have gone into the history books.
Thank you very much.
Yesterday, when we were celebrating the Mashujaa Day, to those of you who listened to my speech, I mentioned Mwalimu Aftin Kulo as one of the heroes we have in the country. Elwak has a history. Elwak Secondary School has a history. You wouldn't believe it. Most of the people from Elwak who are now serving in the government are in top positions, in very senior positions. All of them, in one way or the other, have passed through Elwak Secondary School. You have an opportunity to make it to the top so long as you have passed through Elwak Secondary School. The future, inshallah, is very bright if you work hard, you put in a lot of effort, you listen to your teachers, you're disciplined, and you do your exams properly, and you pass. The future is very bright for anybody who has attended Elwak Secondary School. This school, in the last KCSE exams, was number 1 in the entire Northeastern. Number 1 in the entire Northeastern region. And it was number 5 in the entire nation as the most improved school. The current Form 4s, while I wish you all the best in the coming exams. The exams iko karibu. While I wish you all the best and success in the coming exams, you have a big challenge ahead of you, because those brothers of yours who did their exam last year, they have put the bar very high for you. If you don't break that record, at least we expect you to maintain that standard. We want you to break it. But if you can't break it, we expect you to maintain it where it is. Are we going to maintain, or are we going to break the record? Are we going to break the record?
Yes.
Sema, inshallah, we shall break the record.
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 We have the spirit and the energy and the belief we shall break the record. Sasa mnataka tuongee Kigari eh? Anyway, I have come this morning specifically and especially to have one word with you of encouragement. We all come from a very humble background.